ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतो मुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम्
अक्षरं
असन्दिग्धम्
संदिग्धं
सारवद्विश्रुतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्रुतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभ्रमनवद्यम् च
अस्तोभमनवद्यं च
सूत्रम्
सूत्रं
सूत्रविदो
सूत्रविदो
विदुः
विदुः।
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तानुक्तादुरुक्तानाम् चिन्ता
उक्तानुक्तानां
यत्र
चिन्ता यत्र
प्रवर्तते
प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
तं
तं
ग्रन्थं
ग्रन्थं
वार्तिकम्
वार्तिकं
प्राहुः
प्राहुः
वार्तिकज्ञानमनीषिणः
वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
वृत्तया शिवसूत्राणि आदेश आगमस्तथा
प्रत्यया
प्रत्यया
शिवसूत्राणि
शिवसूत्राणि आदेश
आदेशागमस्तथा
आगमास्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
धातुपाठो
धातुपाठो गणपाठः
गणपाठोपदेशाः
उपदेशाः
प्रकीर्तिताः
प्रकीर्तिताः।
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
तृतीयोऽध्यायः
तृतीयोऽध्यायः
प्रथमः
प्रथमः
पादः
पादः।
कृत्याः
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 तव्यत्तव्यानि यरः
तव्यत्तव्यानियरः
तव्यत्तव्यानि
वसेस्तव्यत्कर्तरि निच्छ
वसिस्तव्यत्कर्तरि
वसेत्तव्यत्कर्तरि
च
निच
अचोयत्
अचोयत्
अचोयत
तटीशसि व्यतीयति जनेभ्यो यद्वाच्यः
प्रकीशसि
प्रकिशसि
व्यतीयति
व्यतीयति
जनिभ्यो
जनेभ्यो
यद्वाच्यः
यद्वाच्यः।
हनो वा तद्वदश्चेति वक्तव्यम्
हलो
अनो
वा
वा
ततश्चेति
तदश्चेति
वक्तव्यम्
वक्तव्यम्।
ओरधुपदात्
होरधुपदात्
पौरपदात्
शकिसहोश्च
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 गदमदचरयमश्चानुपसर्गे
गदमदचर्यमश्चानुपसर्गे
गदमदचरयमश्चानुपसर्गे
चरेराङ्गि च गुरौ सुक्षवा आश्चर्यम् आचर्यम्
चरिराङ्गी
चरेराणि
च गुरौ
चागुरौ
सुप्तवा
सुप्तवा
आश्चर्यम्
आश्चर्यम्
आचर्यम्
आचर्यम्।
अवद्यपन्यवर्ग्या वर्यागर्ग्यपणितव्या निरोधे विरोधेषु
अवद्यपण्यवर्यागर्ग्यपणितव्या
अवद्यपरिवर्ग्य
निरोधेषु
वह्यम्
निरोधेषु
वह्यम् करणम्
बाह्यं
अहिंकरणम्
करणम्
आर्यस्वामि वैश्ययोः
हर्यस्वामिवैश्ययोः
वैश्यायोः
उपसर्या काल्या प्रजनने प्रजने
वसर्याकार्या प्रजने
उपसर्याकार्यां प्रजने
अजर्यं संगतम्
अजर्यं
अजर्यं
सङ्गतं
सङ्गतं
वदस्सु पिख्यप्च
वदस्सुपित्यच्च
वदस्यच्च
भुवो भावे
भुवो
भुवो
भावे
भावे
हनस्त च
नस्त च
हनस्त च
येति स्तोषास्वृधृजुषक्यप
एति
पितेस्तुषास्वृदृजुषः
स्तुषास्त्रिदृजुषः
क्यप
ऋदुपदाच्छाक्लृपिच्युतेः
विदुबधा
ऋदुपदाचाक्लिपे
चाक्लिपिचितेः
पृच्छ्रतेः
ईचकनः
ईचखनः
ईचखनः
भृङ्यो संज्ञायाम्
संज्ञोऽसंज्ञाया
संज्ञाय
मृजेर्विभाषा
निजैर्विभाषा
मृजेर्भाषा
राजसूयसूर्यमृषोद्यरुच्यकुप्यकृष्टपच्याव्यथ्याः
राजसूयसूर्यमृषोद्यरुच्यकुप्यकृष्टपच्याव्यथ्याः
राजसूयसूर्यमृषोद्यरुच्यकृष्टपच्याव्यक्ष्कृष्टपच्याव्यक्ष्याः
विद्योद्यौनदे
विद्योद्यौनदे
नदे
पुष्यसिद्ध्यो नक्षत्रे
पुष्यसिद्ध्यौ
पुष्यसिद्ध्यो
नक्षत्रे
नक्षत्रे
विपूय विनीय जित्या मुञ्जकल्कहलिषु
विपूय
विपूय
विनीय
विनीय जित्या
नित्यमुञ्जकल्कहलिषु
नियुञ्जकाल्कहलिषु
रत्यपिभ्यां ग्रहेश्छन्दसि
प्रत्यपिभ्यां
प्रत्यपिभ्यां
ग्रहे
ग्रहेश्छन्दसि
छन्दसि
पदास्वैरीबाह्या पक्षेषु च
पदा
तदा
स्वैर्बाह्या पक्ष्येषु च
स्वैरिबाह्यापक्ष्येषु च
विभाषाकृवृषोः
भाषा
भाषाकृवृषोः
वृषो
युग्यं च पत्रे
युग्यं च
युग्यं च
पत्रे
पत्रे
अमावस्यदन्यतरस्याम्
अमावस्यदन्तरस्यां
अमावस्यदन्तरतरस्याम्
छन्दसि निष्टर्क्य देवहूय प्रणीयोन्नीयोच्छिष्यमर्यस्तर्याद्वर्यकन्यकान्य देवयज्ञा पृच्छ्य प्रतिशीव्य ब्रह्मवाद्यभाव्यस्ताव्योपचाय्य प्रणानि
छन्दसि
छन्दांसि
निष्टकार्य
निष्टकार्यदेवहूय
देवहूय प्रणीयो नीयो
प्रणीयोन्योच्छिष्यमर्यस्ताभ्यो
जिह्यमार्यकन्यकार्य
द्वर्यकन्यकान्य देवयज्ञापृच्छ्य
कन्यकार्य
प्रतिशीव्य
देवाय पृच्छति प्रतिष्ठीय
ब्रह्मवाद्यभाव्यस्ताभ्योपचाय्य प्रीणानि
ब्रह्मवाद्यभाव्यस्तायोपचाय्य प्रीणानि
ऋहलोर्ण्यत्
विहलोऽन्यत्
यत्
ओरावश्यके
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 आसुयूवपिरपि लपित्रपि चमश्च
आसूयोरपि चमश्च
आसुयोगपीतपीतपीत्रपीच्छमश्च
आनाय्यो नित्ये
आनायो
आयायो नित्ये
नित्ये
प्रणायो सम्मतौ
प्रणायो
प्रणायो
सम्मता
सन्मतौ
पायसान्नाय निकाय धाय्यामानहविर्निवाससामिधेनीषु
पायसान्नायनिकाय
पायसान्नायनिकाय दायमानहविर्निवाससामिधेनीषु
निवाससामिधेनेषु
क्रतौ कुण्डपायसञ्छायौ
क्रतौ
तौ
कुण्डपायसञ्छाया
कुण्डपायसञ्छायौ
अग्नौ परिचायोपचाय्य समूह्याः
अग्नौ
अग्नौ
परिचायोपचाय
परिचायोपचाय
समूह्याः
समूह्याः
चित्याग्निचित्ते च
चित्याग्निचित्ते च
त्याग्निचित्ते च
नुल्तृचौ
णौ
त्रिचौ
त्रिचौ
जोऽन्तः
योऽन्तः
ज्वलन्तः
अदभ्यस्तात्
दभ्यस्तात्
दभ्यस्तात्
आत्मनेपदेषु अनतः
आत्मनेपदेषु
आत्मनेपदेशनतः
अनतः
अचोन्त्यादिति
चौन्त्यादिति
चोन्त्यादिति
चित्त आत्मनेपदानां तेरे
ते टित
स
आत्मनि
आत्मनेपदानां तेरे
तासस्य
भासस्ते
आतो ङितः
आतो
आतो नितः
लोपोर्व्यो बली
लोपोर्व्यो बलि
लोपोर्व्यो बली
अतो दीर्घो यज्ञी
अतो
तो
दीर्घो
दीर्घो ययि
नित्यं हितः
नित्यं
नित्यं
नीतः
नितः
हितश्च
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 तस्थस्तमिपां तान् तन्तामः
तस्थस्तमिपां तां
तस्थन्तमिपान्तां
अनुस्वारस्य परस्वर्णः we can apply it become तान् तन्तामः. Okay. I didn't write why because to understand tam tam, so we know that that's why I didn't write like that. Anusvarasya parasvarnah comes later 8458 I think, so that will apply becomes parasvarna, right? 8458 I think so. Lung lang ringshu at udatah.
लुङ् लङ् लिङ्क्षु अट् उदातः
Here also only will happen. At will become jalam dashante ad. Dakara plus u do adudataha. Right? But for our understanding, I'm not, we are doing like this. Once we are familiar, after that we can change it. Okay. Adajadinam
आडजादीनाम्
atascha
आटश्च
namang yoge
मां योगे
mangi lung
माङ्गीलुङ्
माणि लुङ्
smotare langcha.
स्मोतरे
स्मोत्तरे लङ् च
These sutras already we have covered. You remember?
yes
In the beginning itself, the sutras we have covered. Therefore, it is not required here. It is only recollection. What is Namang Yoge? Where is the sutra? Please see the sutra list. The previous file. Think Sutra 1, 2. Namang Yoge. It is about the lakaras, different lakaras. The file, let's read list of Tinganta Sutrani, part 1. Namang Yoge, I'll show you. Mangilung, Namang Yoge, Smottare Lamcha in detail. Already we have seen. Here it is. Sutra number, our list 177, 178, and 179. Right? Do you see that?
yes
So already it is we have seen 177. So 177, 178, 179. You see the sutra number. I'll show you 177, 170. Our notes. Here it is. All the other preceding sutras we have seen. So we can just mention the sutra. We need not write again the same list because already it is there. 177. What is Mangi Lung? Mangi is a Upapada. It is in third chapter. Do you remember the sutra 3191? The sutra pata is Dhatoho 3190. 3190 what? 3191 or 92? What plus or minus 1? 3191. Then Tatra Upapadam Saptam is Tatra referring to in this Dhatu Adhikara. Dhatu Adhikara starting from 91 up to third chapter, last sutra, 117. Third chapter, fourth section, 117. That is the last sutra. That is what Tatra. That means Dhatu Adhikare. That word which is in Saptame Vibhakti gets a Sanya Upapadam. Right?
yes
The sutra, that word which is in Saptame Vibhakti will get the Sanya Upapadam. Therefore, Mangi is in Saptame Vibhakti. Therefore, Mang is a Pradipadikam, it is a Upapadam. So, Mang Upapade, Lung Bhavati, Dhatoho Paraha. Mang is an avyaya. Mang is an avyaya. So when the man upapada is there, dhatoho lung lakara will come. This lakara is apavada to all the lakaras. So like ma kashit, ma harshit. This is lung lakara. Lung lakara akashit should come, but a goes away. That is by next sutra. Mangi lung namang yoge. Mang is upapada. When mang upapada is there, lung lakara dhatoho paraha lung lakaraha bhavati. But lung lakara generally, in what sense lung lakara is applied? Anadyatane.
Lung.
Huh?
Past. Anadyatane lung.
Anadyatane, not lung. Anadyatane. Anadyatane what? Lakara.
Lung.
Anadyatane lung. So therefore, adyatana
Anadyatane.
or anything, no, that will be lung lakara. Past, both a lung, except for not the today's past, right? Today's past will be lung only. I mean, lung lakara is not for anadyatane, not adyatana lung. So adyatana will be lung. And if it is not, adyatana is not clear, then also lung. So lung is general past. So lung lakara. So lung lakara being a ngit lakara, attagama will come. By what sutra? Lat lung ring shu at udataha. Just now we chanted. Yes or no?
Yes.
Lat lung lakara, lung lakara, and ring lakara, conditional mode for these three lakaras. Haladi dhatu will take attagama. Therefore, akara is there, but akara goes away. That is by next sutra. So this is akarshit. It is akarshit. Do you remember kamo karshit, manira karshit, namo namaha kamo, karta nahan karta kama karita, nahan karita. So that kamaha akarshit. Kama did, manyuhu akarshit, anger did, I didn't do. Just passing the buck on to kama and anger. It's a japam we do. Kama karshit japa. So that lung lakara, mangi, dhatoho lung lakara pratyaya bhavati. But lung is in the sense of past, but here it is not in the sense of past. It is in this, it is no past tense meaning. It is apavada to all the lakara. Sarva lakara nam apavadaha. So mangi lung. Mangi upapade dhatoho lung bhavati. Ma karshihi, ma leki. You know, it will come like ma akarshiki. Ma akarshiki means you. Okay. Right?
Yes.
So A will go away. Mangi lung. Then when mang is there, mang yoge, by that, then that A will not be there. Attagama or atagama, whatever it is. No, that will not be there. That is why ma karshit, ma harshit. You get. Understand?
Yes.
Yes. But this how why this sutra is coming now in this Tintanta?
Because it's a Nityalakara, that is why it comes, nothing else.
Need lakara.
Because we are talking about Lang Lakara, which
Oh,
is a
understood.
Nityalakara, Nityam Nitaha, that he will go away. Then all the sutra, Itascha will apply, the sutra what we saw. We'll see again, one more time. You will read.
Understood.
So that's why this has come. Otherwise, no meaning. Huh? That's the reason. Connection to that. Lung Lakara is a Ngit Lakara. So
Understood.
it is in the Ma Karshi, it means, so may he not do like that. Let him not do like that. That is what the meaning. Lung Lakara. So it is generally the Lung Lakara in the sense of the past tense, but when Mang is there, that is not in the sense of the past. And also that Atagama will go away. Okay, that's the idea.
Understood.
Sarvalakara
Nice.
apavadaha. That's what here in the sutra we have seen. That in association with the Mang, a dhatu will take lung. Lung is a Nityalakara. That is the connection. It has no past tense meaning. Therefore, it is not past tense meaning. What meaning will be there? Mang in the sense of don't. So let him not do. That's the meaning. Let him not give up. Maharshi. Nishedam darshayitum prayogaha kriyate. Nishedam means prohibition. So Vartamana Sutrena Avyayasya Prayoge Lung Lakarasya Prayogaha Bhavati. When Mang is there, Lung Lakara should be used. Lung Lakara in the sense of Nisheda. So when Lung Lakara is there, then what happens that Attagama also will go away. That is by next sutra, Mang Yoge. That is next sutra. Namang Yoge. When Mang is there, for Lung Lakara, given here, from Namang Yoge, that Attagama will not be there. Mang ityasya upasito, Lung Lakare, Lung Lakare, only for these two Lakara. Lung Lakara, Angasya Attagama or Attagama, whatever that Agama will comes, right? That will not come. Agama comes by what sutra? Lung, Ringshu, At Udataha, then Adajadi Nam. That will not apply. When the Avyaya Ang is there, Attar Atagama doesn't happen for Lung. Like we have the example, Klaibyam Mas Magama Partha. Klaibyam Ma Agamaha will come, but A goes away. Agamaha is Lung Lakara, but it is not in the past here. Klaibyam Mas, don't yield yourself to unmanliness. Attagama goes away, that by the sutra, Mang, that is Mangi Lung comes, Attagama, Mangi Lung Lakara is used, Attagama goes away by this sutra, Namang Yoge. And the next sutra is Smotare Langcha. Sma Uttarapade also, Sma Uttare Mangi Upapade, Dato Ho Lang Bhavati. Lung also can come. That is also the example. So here in the example, what we have seen? Klaibyam Ma Sma Gamaf Partha. Ma or Sma, whatever, if any one of them is sufficient to bring in the Lung Lakara. So Klaibyam Ma Sma Gamaf Partha or Klaibyam Ma Gamaf Partha, both are correct. So when Ma or Sma is there, comes Sma Uttarapade is the Lung also will come. That is what the sutra says. Sma Uttarapade, not only Lung, it is applicable for Lung. When Sma Uttarapada is there, Dhatoho Lung Lakaraha Bhavati. Lung also, Lung and Lung. So when the Sma Pada Upapada is there, follows Mang. Okay, follows Mang, then the Dhatu can take Lung or Lung. Masma Karot. Let him not do. That's the meaning. This is also Sarvalakaranam Apavadaha. Not in the sense of past. Please note. Sma Uttarapade. Already this also we have seen. Klaibyam Mas Magamaf Partha. That is a good example. Okay. So why he comes here? What context here? Here we are discussing Nittalakara. So Lung Lakara is a Nittalakara. That is why it comes here. Otherwise no reason. And Lung also is there. So that's why that Attagama, which comes for Lung Lakara, for this, that Attagama also will not be there, go away. That's the connection. So we can change the sutra number. This is, sorry, not here. 177, 178, 179 already we have seen. Therefore, this number I will change. Namang Yoge is, number is Namang 178. Already we have seen. So refer to that document. If you don't remember, you can tell me, I will do it. This is the 177. I will swap that. And Namang Yoge, Smotare is 179. I changed all the other numbers. Okay. Already done. 177, 178, 179. Next one will be 252. Now let us quickly go through what we have done. Jontaha. Please see. The screen for the next one. Yes. Please see the screen. These are the original pratyas, right?
Yes.
Tiptashri, Siptasta, Mitpasmasta, Atam Jet, Has Atam Dum, It Vagi Mugging. Please note the color coding. That which is in yellow color is
Pit.
Pit.
Sarvadhataka Pit Pratyaya.
Yes.
That which is in what is this color?
Green color.
Okay, this is the right green. What right? That will be Sarvadhataka.
Pit. Good.
Sarvadhataka.
Then what about that which is in this color also? This brown, not brown. It is somewhat color. Whatever color is. Is it not a pit?
This no,
Yes.
this is
A pit also. That is also a pit only. Then why different color?
this
From
one is
starting from
tapit.
here onwards, everything is a pit only.
This starting with consonant.
Yes. So these are thus, tha, was, mus, and ta, thus, and dvam, vagi, magi. These are the pratyas, sarvadhataka pratyaya beginning with the consonant. Haladi, sarvadhataka, apit pratyaya, right? Apit will be nitvat. No angakarya can happen, right? And G will be replaced. The Jakara will be Jontaha, will be Anti. So it becomes Ajadi Pratyaya, right? Similarly, Uttama Purusha, E Ajadi. Atam Ajadi. Atham Ajadi. Ja Ajadi. So Ajadi Sarvadhataka Pratyaya, Apit Pratyaya, Nitvat. So Tip, Sip, Mip alone, Sarvadhataka Pitta. The rest are Sarvadhataka Apita. Apitvat, Nitvat Bhavati. One is Ajadi, other one is Haladi, right? Clear?
Yes.
Now, for Lat Lakara, what happens? Okay, here again some description. There are two types of Lakara. We know Tit Lakara and Nit Lakara. How many Tit Lakaras are there?
4.
6.
6, sir.
6.
Yeah. Lat, what are they? Lat,
Lat,
Lot,
Not
Lut,
lot.
Lit, Late, Rit, 6. And Nit are Ling, Lung, Ling, Lung, Ring. And one more Ashi Ling, you can say 4 plus 1, 5. Ashi Ling also included in the Ling Lakara. Okay, now we are interested in Sarvadhataka Lakaras. How many Sarvadhataka Lakaras are there? 4. Lat, Lang, Lot, Ling. The rest are Ardhadhataka Lakaras. Already we have seen, explained this, why they are called. And we are not talking about the Pratyas. Note, we are not talking about the Pratyaya. Tingshit Sarvadhatakam, Adhadhatakam, Sheshaha. That is the Pratyaya. And also the next sutra immediately after that says what? Lotsha Ashi Ling. Linga Ashishi Litsha, sorry, Shamitam. Linga Ashishi Litsha. Ashiling, anyway, it is Ashiling, the Pratyaya is Adhadhataka. Litlakara also Adhadhataka. Then what about other Lakaras? Other Lakaras, Sarvadhataka, Adhadhataka, Panini Magarji did not say. We say it loosely. Right? Lakaras are not Sarvadhataka, Adhadhataka. There is no sutra defining like that. For example, Rit Lakara is what Lakara? We say Adhadhataka Lakara. Why? The Vikarana Pratyaya comes not because of the Tip Pratyaya. It comes because of the Lakara itself. When Rit follows, Setasi Litoho. Remember? When Rit Lakara, when Rit is there, follows a Dhatu, then Syap will come.
Yes.
And Rit, after that only Rit will be replaced by what? The Tip Pratyas, corresponding to Purusha Vachanam, whatever the Pratyas, Tip Pratyas, Think Pratyas will come. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that is why we say Sya comes, Sya is Adhadhatuka Pratyaya, therefore we say it is Adhadhatuka Lakara. The Sya, which is not a Gana, it's a Vikarana Pratyaya, comes for all the Dhatus when Rit Lakara follows. We don't say it when Tip Pratyaya follows. What about Tip Pratyaya? Sarvadhataka Pratyaya, right?
Yes.
You understand what I'm saying? I think already I taught you. You have to recollect. See, for example, Pat Dhatu you take. Pat plus tip. I'm doing let lakara. First I do Pat plus let. Right? First, this is the first step. Then corresponding to Pratama Purusha Ekvachana, what is a pratyaya?
Tip.
Tip. When tip, what pratyaya tip is?
Sarvadhat
Sarvadhat.
kapit.
Then what happens?
Gana vikarana comes.
सार्वधातुके प्रत्यये परे धातोः परः गणविकरणः भवति शप्, right?
Yes.
Tip pratyaya is a सार्वधातुक pratyaya. Therefore, when tip pratyaya follows a dhatu, ganavikarana comes, right? What about in the case of lit lakara? Just for example, take lit. What is the next step?
Also tip.
No, sir. This is where the mistake is. When lit follows, sya comes. Chetasi,
Second.
litoho sutra.
Yes.
So the vikarana pratyaya comes because of the lit pratyaya follows, not because. If you say tip, what is tip then? Tip is
Yes.
sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Then what will happen? Shap will come.
Mhm.
The sutra must be Katari sarvadhatuke shap. No, it is not. Understand?
Yes.
So when the lit follows the dhatu, when sya comes, after that corresponding to purusha and vachanam, you replace lit by the pratyaya. Tip, tibari pratyaya. Tip. You understand?
Yes.
Sya is now sya plus ti syati. No, anga kare will happen syati. Sya is adadhatuka, therefore adadhatuka pratyaya we say, therefore adadhatuka lakara. Simple. Loosely we say adadhatuka lakara. Understand?
Yes.
That is why lat, lung, lot, ling are sarvadhatuka lakaras. The rest are adadhatuka lakaras. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Same thing for the Ashirling anyway. That Ashirling adadhatuka lakara, Panini Maharshi already has said. Right? Lit lakara, yes, adadhatuka already said. Lit lakara,
Yes.
just now I proved. How many lakaras left out now? What about lung lakara? Lung lakara, that's also shatasi, lutoho. So lut lakara also will come, and lit lakara also already is there. Shatasi, lutoho. Is shatasi, stands for what? Shatasi, lutoho. That is in how many things are there? In Lung lakara also, rit lakara also, right? So by that, lung lakara also is included. And setasi, lutoho, lut also. So 4 sarvadhatuka lakaras and 5. What is other lakara left out? Lit, lut, rit, ring. Late lakara, of course, in Veda. That leave it out. I think 4 plus 4. 1 lakara, what is the lakara? Lit, lung, lot, ling, lit, lut, rit, lung lakara. That is also, of course, adadhatuka lakara, lung lakara also. And late lakara in the Veda. All these are ardhatuka lakaras. Okay.
Ardha.
Already we have seen, this is not new, just a note. Okay. I have deleted this.
So, yes. Lat, lung, lit, lot.
Let, lung, lot, ling. In this order you remember. That is good. Because first we saw let related sutra, then lung related sutra. We are going to see lot, after that ling. Why in this order? Because lot is like a lung. Lotaha langvaton sutram is that. So in this order, we are going to see the pratyaya adesha. Adesha which comes in the place of the pratyaya. Adesha or whatever it is. Some changes happen to the original pratyayas. Understand? Now,
Yes.
original pratyaya, remember. And among this, we have seen 3 sarvadhatuka pit, rest are sarvadhatuka pit. That property will be carried out unless it is changed by some sutra. Now, for lat lakara, what happens? Tip is, pakara is ith letter. So, ti. taha, tas is, anything happen to the parasmapadi pratyaya, parasmapada pratyaya?
No.
Nothing
No.
happens.
Yeah.
Sakara can
Only
it become
to-
lopaha? No. Now vibhakta tusmaha. Taha only. Padanta sakara becomes taha. So tit taha. What about G? G will be, Jakara will be replaced by
Anti.
7 1 2. Jon taha. Right? Isa. 7 1 3. So Jakara will be. Therefore, Jakara, G will become what? Anti.
and
Yes.
So ti taha, anti. Right? Latlakara, Pratama Purusha. We have done. Now Madhyama Purusha. Sip. Sip with Pakara is with the letter C only.
Halantam.
Tas. Yes, Pakara is Alantimit. What about Tas? Sakara is Alantimit? No.
No.
Na vivakta tusmaha. Huh? So
Yes.
Padanta Sakara become Visarga.
Yes.
And Madhyama Purusha Bhagavachanam Tha is Tha. So Si Taha Tha, right?
Yes.
Then Uttama Purusha Mit. Pakara is Alantimit. But the
Yes.
property is there. Even the Pakara is letter goes away, the Pratyaya is a Sarvadhatuka Pit Pratyaya only, right?
Yes.
And Vas and Mas Sakara will become Visarga. Padanta Sakara Ru and Ru becomes Repa Repa Visarga Vaha Maha. So now the corresponding Parasmai Pada Pratyas. Okay. Atmanepada also will do. And then Atmanepada Pratyaya you take. What is the Pratham Purusha Ekavachana Pratyaya Ta? Right? What Lakara we are doing? We are doing Lat Lakara. Lat is Tit Lakara. For Tit Lakara, what will happen to the T letter? What is T? T is
Contianti. Alontianti.
Achontyadi, sir.
Yeah, I conjunctianti.
Starting from the last Ach to the end. So for the Tit Lakara, Atmane Pada Pratyaya, Atmane Pada Pratyaya, Atmane Pada, not Padi. Padi is for the Dhatu. When we refer to the Pratyaya, we have to say Atmane Pada. I will correct all those things later. By Titaha Atmane Padanam Tere, I hope remember. For Tit Lakara, Atmane Padanam Pratyayanam, Tehe, Sthane, what Adesha? Ye Adesha. So Ta is Takara plus A will be replaced by
E.
Ye is therefore Te. So Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam Te. Then Dvivachanam Atam will become what is the T letter? Am will be replaced by Titaha Atmane Padanam Tere. You keep telling so that get registered in the mind. Achontyadi T and Titaha Atmane Padanam Tere. Achontyadi T, what is the number? There it is. It is in one section.
oh,
Yes.
yes, one way.
What happened to Vachaspati? You stopped memorizing the sutras, huh?
Yes.
Charity.
Get tired, huh?
One,
Yes.
1164.
1164. Don't get tired, sir. Third chapter at least. What we are doing should memorize. Keep on doing daily. You chant as a ritual. And Titaha Atmane Padanam Tere. That's we saw what the sutra number. Titaha Atmane Padanam Tere. 3470.
79.
79.
Remember. So Am is a T letter replaced by A. Therefore we have Ate. Therefore Te Ate. Now Pratham Purusha Bhagavachanam Atmane Pada Pratyaya. And also note the property. Ta is Sarvadhataka Apit, therefore Nitvat. Ate also Sarvadhataka Apit Nitvat. This is Ajadi, this is Aladi, right? Remember.
Yes.
The table I will show you. Then, and one more. For Adantanga, now we can, Anga can be, what is Anga? What is me Anga? What is the
That
sutra?
which precedes Pratyaya.
Yasmat Pratyay Vidhi Tadadi Pratyay Angam. Here what is the Anga? We are talking about the Ting Pratyayas. What is the Anga then? Dhatu plus the Vikarna Pratyaya, Gana Vikarna Pratyaya.
Yes.
We are doing Latlakara. Not only the Dhatu. Dhatu plus Gana Vikarna Pratyaya. If it is Adanta, meaning that anga ending with akara, right?
Yes.
Dhatu plus gana vikarana pratyaya, that is anga ending with akara. So it is not only the dhatu. Don't forget the gana vikarana. So if for adantanga, how many adantangas are there? Among the 10 conjugations?
4.
1, 4, 6, 10, right?
Yes.
Those are adantanga. For that, what happens? Akara, which is the avayava of the sarvadhatuka nit pratyaya, important. That is why here I have written sarvadhatuka apit pratyaya. Apit pratyaya is nitvat. So sarvadhatuka nit pratyasya, sarvadhatukasya, akarasya. What adesha will come for adantanga? E adesha. Here.
E.
E adesha will come. That is by the sutra ato nitaha. Nitaha meaning nit pratyasya. Akaraha. Akara, which is the avayava of the pratyaya following the adantanga, will be replaced by ya. Please remember the sutram. Because sutram is ato nitaha. Only 2 letter words are there. All the other things coming as anuvritti. Right? This is an angasya adhikara. Therefore, angasya uttarasya nit pratyasya sarvadhatuka nit pratyasya akarasya sthane. Akarasya sthane iya adeshaha bhavati. Akara, which is the adehe parasya, by that paribhasha, the first letter of the pratyaya, what pratyaya? Nit sarvadhatuka pratyaya, that is akara, that is avayava of the sarvadhatuka pratyaya, will be replaced by iya. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
Already we have derived ate. Now what will happen for adantanga? This ate, a will be replaced by iya. Now we have iyate. What will happen to yakara? Yakara followed by
Lopavati. By value ladder.
lopor vyobali. Therefore,
Yes.
remember that sutra. What is the number? 61?
6, 6.
60? 6. So yakara will go away. Therefore, you get ite. Right? So lopor vyobali. That's what I have given. Number 3 and number 4. Lopor vyobali will apply. Therefore, you get ite. For adantanga, you get ite. For anadantanga, what will happen? Ate will remain ate only. Right? For other than 1, 4, 6, 10 conjugation, ate will be ate. For 1, 4, 6, 10 only, a will become ite. That is why when we chant te, ite, ante, we do. Right?
Yes.
Now, similarly, same thing for ate also. That is Madhyam Purusha, Dvivachanam. That's the Madhyama Purusha. It is. It becomes for Adantanga, ate will become ite. Right? Okay. Then, what about Bhagavachanam, Pratama Purusha? Lattakara Atmanepada Prataya. Jontaha. Jakara will be replaced by Ant plus A. We are doing Atmanepada. Atmanepada Prataya. Titlakara. What is the T letter?
A.
Will be replaced by.
E.
Therefore, you get
Ante.
Ante. Right? So now we have Te Ite or Te Ate Ante. Te Ate Ante. Ate for Anadantanga. Ite for Adantanga. Right?
Yes.
Remember the sutra. What will happen to Tas? Tas, we have got a special sutra. Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam Tasasya for Titlakara. Madhyama Purusha Ekavachana Pratyaya will be replaced by se. Remember, don't make that T letter ye. That will not work here. Entire Tas must be replaced by ye. Apavada to Titaha Atmanepadanam Tere. Please note. This is an exception to the T letter replaced by ye. That is Titaha Atmanepadanam Tere cannot be applied. Tas will be replaced by se. Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. Dvivachanam already we saw. Atham. What is the T letter?
Al.
Original pratyaya is atham. Am is a T letter. And we are doing atmanepada pratyaya of the latlakara, titlakara. Therefore, titaha atmanepada nam tere. T will be replaced by ye. Therefore, we have ate.
Ate.
If it is adantanga, then a Jakara of the Sarvadhataka Nit Pratyaya, Nit Sarvadhataka Pratyaya, following the Adantanga, A will be replaced by Ya. Then low power globally will apply, therefore you get Ithe. Understand?
Yes.
As we saw for Pratham Purusha Dvivachanam, same. Here also Madhyama Purusha Dvivachanam. And what is Bhagavachana Pratyaya? Ta Satam
Ja.
Dvam. We're doing Madhyama
Dvam.
Purusha, sir.
Ah,
What is the T letter? Am will be replaced by Titaha Atmane Padanam
Tere.
Tere. Ye. Therefore you get Dve.
Dve.
Right.
And Uttam Purusha Ekavachanam. What is the T letter here?
It.
All is it letter.
Only one son is there. Who is the eldest? Who is the youngest? That is the youngest, that is the eldest. Same logic. Adyanta Varekasmin, one different Paribhasha is there. So E is the T letter. Replace it by Titahatmane Padanam Tere, Ye. Ye. And what is the next Pratyaya, original Pratyaya? Uttama Purusha Dvivachanam. Vahi, Mahi, right? Vahi. What is the T letter? E. Titahatmane Padanam Tere, Vahe.
Vai.
Mahi will become Mahe.
Vai.
Now see the table. Okay, so this is done. For and Anadantanga, and one more thing is what is another thing for Anadantanga? We have done Anadantanga, Adantanga, all the pratyas we have done. One more is left out. Jontaha, after that, we have 714, and after 715, Atmane Padeshu Anataha. For Atmane Pada, non-Adantanga, then the Jakara will not be replaced by Ant, it will be replaced by Ath.
Ath.
This is please Atmane Padeshu Pratyayeshu, right? For Anadantanga, what will happen? Jakara will be replaced by Ath, not Ant. Please note. 715 Sutra. 714 is Adabhyastha. From there, Ath coming as Anuvritti. So therefore, what will happen? For other conjugation, it is not Ante, it is what? Tell me, tell. Jakara is there. Jakara will be replaced by Antar At.
Ant.
Not Ant. Atma, this is Anadantanga. It will be replaced by At.
At.
See, Jakara plus A. Jakara is replaced by, not by Jontaha, by this sutra. 715, Jakara will be replaced by At. At plus A. We are doing Tit Lakara. Lat Lakara, which is the Tit Lakara. Titaha Atmane Padanam Tere, therefore the T letter will be replaced by
E.
A. Therefore you have
Te.
Ate. Understand? Not Ante. Is it clear?
Yes.
In the PowerPoint, what we have is only the Lakara, Lat Lakara, Adantanga only we are having. So here, Te Gite Ante, Se Gite Dve, Ye Vahe Mahe. If it is, this is our 14610. If it is other than 14610, we have to read this like Te, Ate, Ate, not Ante. Se, Ate, Dve. Ye, Vahe, Mahe. I wanted to make change in this slide, but I'm not able to do it since long time anyway, but you remember. Or within bracket, I have to use Ate. Not required. Ate, I can write, and then Ante, we have to put it in bracket for Adantanga. I'll do it maybe. Understand?
Yes.
So now you see. Now the entire thing is summarized in this column. Sitaha anti, sitata, mi vahamaha. Does it differ from the original pratyaya? No. For Latlakara, same as the original pratyaya, right? What are the sutras we applied? Jontaha one is applied, right? That is the only thing. Any other things applied here? No. And of course, here when you do Ato Dirgha Agni will apply. That anga will get dirghatva, that is okay. Patami, patavaha, patamaha. Remember, will become for adanta anga. That is okay, that is anga karya. But pratyaya only, this is the only thing, right? Jontaha. What about here? All are replaced by A. Fifth letters are replaced by A with the exception of Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. Tasaha se. Don't forget that. Ta-tam ja, tasatam dam, itvagi maging. The T letters of all the pratyaya except Madhyama Purusha Ekavachana, they are replaced by A. This is for Adantanga. Please note. This table is for only Adantanga. Non-Adantanga, we'll see. Right? Then here, ate, not ate, ite. Here, adesha will come. Yakarasi lopaha, lopor yovali, ite. Here also ite. And here, jontaha. After that, of course, titahatmane padam tere is applied for all. Understand? So, therefore, these pratyas we get. What about all these pratyas now? All these are, as it is in the original, this also sarvadhataka apit only. Nit pratyaya. Right? That's no big difference. In the Parasmai Pada Pratyaya, of course, there's no difference at all. In the Atmane Pada Pratyaya alone, there are some differences. That is, Titaha Atmane Padanam Tere is applied. That is the main thing. Okay. You follow?
Yes.
Follow.
Then, for Anadantanga, see the same. Titaha Anti Sitahata Mivahamaha. That Parasmai Pada Pratyaya, but not Parasmai Padi. Okay. When we refer to Pratyaya, we have to say Parasmai Pada. Parasmai Pada Pratyayaha. The typo, I'll change it later. So, Pratyaya do not change. Parasmai Pada Pratyaya. What about Atmane Pada Pratyaya? Same thing. Te, here originally it was Atam, Atham, right? Ate, Athe. And here it is, we apply 715. Atmane Padeshu, Anataha, Ate. This is the only change. In fact, we have got how many Ajadi, Sarvadhataka, Apit Pratyaya in this case? For Anadantanga, Atmane Pada Pratyaya, how many Ajadi, Sarvadhatika, Apit Pratyaya?
4.
4 are there. What about here? There are also 4 only. 4 plus 1, 5. Totally 5. Number doesn't change. Same thing, right? In some places, not here. In other cases, we'll see. In Ling Lakara and all will become Ajadi. We'll see that later. All Pratyayas will become Ajadi. Because one Agamakam, Yasut. Okay, so now, here you can see Atmane Pada Pratyaya. So therefore, from the original Pratyaya, Pratyayas corresponding to Lat Lakara, these two are derived. This is what we chant, this is what I ask you to remember. But now you know how it comes. To be able to trace the sutra. Understand?
Yes.
So Sipta Shi Sipta Sa Bitpasmas Ta Satam Ta Tam Ja Ta Satam Da Vitvahi Making, original Pratyaya being there. For Lat Lakara, Adantanga and Anadantanga, by applying the sutras, whatever we have learned, Jontaha, Titahatmane Padanam, Tere, right? Then what else? Ato Nitaha, then Itascha, Lopor Vyobali, all those things we applied and we get a completely different form of pratyas for Atmane Pada. Atmane Pada pratyas are different. Te ite ante, se ite dve, eva he mahe, for Adantanga, for Anadantanga, te ate, athe, se ate, dve, eva he mahe. This is what we have to remember. So suppose if you take, for example, Anadantanga, 9th conjugation. Ninth conjugation. We will learn, don't worry, later. I just give an example and then I'll do it. 9th conjugation. Let us take Nya Dhatu. What is the Ghana Vikrana? Okay, what is the Pratyaya? We are doing Nya Dhatu is Ubhayapadi. So it can, Ubhayapadi means it can take Parasmay Pada Pratyaya or Atmane Pada Pratyaya. Let me do Atmane Pada. So what will happen? Nya plus?
Na.
Okay, let me do Parasmay Pada 1, Atmane Pada also 1. I will do only Prathama Purusha. Okay, just showing the difference. Nya dhatu, which is anadantanga. Nya plus tip, nya plus te. Both I am doing. Tip is what pratyaya? Sarvadhatika pit pratyaya. Te is sarvadhatika apit pratyaya. Right? So nya plus tip, what is gonna be now? Shna. Shna is the gonna be already we have seen. Kriyadibhyaha. Shna. Yes or no?
Yes.
So nya plus shna plus te. Then what will happen to nya when followed by shit pratyaya? Nya will be replaced by ja. That we will see later. Don't worry. So ja plus shna. Shna content is a plus te. And here it is ja plus na plus te. What is the difference between this pratyaya? Why I am emphasizing this? Sarvadhatuka pitta. This is sarvadhatuka pitta. Sarvadhatuka pitta. Therefore you have janati. What about here? Sarvadhatuka pitta. It is janate? No. This is haladi sarvadhatuka apit pratyaya when follows, that is nit pratyaya, right? That a of that na will drop. Sorry, will be replaced by e. Will drop in the case of ajadi. When followed by haladi, this a is there of the Ganavikarana, that a will be replaced by e. Therefore, you have ja plus ni plus te, janite. Right? Same thing when followed by anti. That I will stop, don't worry. Nya plus anti. Anti is parasvai pada. Atmane pada, tell me the pratyaya. You have to tell.
Te.
Ate, not ante. Very good. Ate. Now what will happen? Anti. Nya plus anti. Shna will come. Ganavikarana. Right? Here it is ate. And nya is replaced by ja. Now anti, ate. Now tell me what will happen. Anti is what pratyaya? Sarvadhatuka.
Jadi.
Ajadi sarvadhatuka. Complete.
Apit pratyaya.
Apit. Therefore nit pratyaya. And this is also ajadi. Sarvadhatuka. Apit.
Sarvadhatuka
Nit
apit
pratyaya.
pratyaya.
Both are ajadi. Sarvadhatuka. Nit pratyaya only. Therefore there must be common rule. What is the rule? That a of shna, that is, that na is there. When followed by ajadi sarvadhatuka apit pratyaya, that is nit pratyaya, that will drop. Therefore you have ja plus nakara plus anti will become jananti. And here what will happen? A will drop. Janate. So Bhagavachanam is janate. You understand? You understand now the significance of the pratyaya, what pratyaya, ajadi, aladi, right? Ninth conjugation is very simple. If you understand this, ninth conjugation is done in fact. Okay. So we'll stop here. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. I've not taught any further sutras, only lakara pratyayas and lot lakara, sorry, lang lakara pratyaya. Starting from Jontaha up to this. Please go through this sutra, understand thoroughly to this. How many sutras? These sutras are applied to get the forms. Right? Okay. Okay, sorry, we have done, now I explain only Latlakara, revision. Revision is up to here. Up to here. That is, so starting from Jontaha up to here. Next class we will do, again I will revise from Langlakara, revise for Langlakara from 243. Okay, we will do the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyawad. Thank you so much.
Vachaspati, did you discuss Vachaspati, huh? About Ramayana?
I will ask today.
Okay, yeah, fine.
I will ask today.
Yeah.
Thank you
It
so much.
is because I'm not sure whether it's available on other days. That is Monday and Wednesday, what we are doing that time. Please ask him. Half an hour is also is enough. If we can spare half an hour, it's okay. Ask him.
Sure.
Okay.
Nice. I
Dhanyavad.
will ask him and let you know tomorrow.
Yes.
See you.
You send me the mantra, that Sandhyavandana mantra.
Yeah, okay, I will send you now. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir.
See you.
Thank you.